Welcome to the MarketSmart Minute. Today we're going to find out how to get top LOs in a specific market. So from the welcome screen, click on Profiles. Once the profiles load, we will be automatically in the loan officer profile. So we are going to select our market, let's say Atlanta, and we're going to select our time period, last 12 months, and then we click on Loan Officer Selector. And we have just found the top loan officers in Atlanta over the last 12 months with their names, who they work for, their total production in units and dollars, average loan size, if they're part of a bank, and their contact information. You can download this information, this table, by clicking on the share button and clicking on Excel. This has been the MarketSmart Minute. See you next time.